The Milky Way has already collided with other galaxies, and it will again. Our galaxy may feel like a stable home, but it is built from the wreckage of others. Over billions of years, the Milky Way has absorbed smaller galaxies, drawing them in, unraveling them, and scattering their stars into tidal streams that wrap around the disk. One such galaxy, the Sagittarius dwarf, is being pulled apart right now, and far off in the night sky, Andromeda is drifting slowly closer. In about 4.5 billion years, the two great spirals will merge in a cosmic collision. Stars will almost never hit each other, but the galaxy's shapes will change forever, folding into a new form, vast and quiet. Rogue stars are flung from the core. Most stars drift calmly through the galaxy, but a rare few are flung outward at astonishing speeds, fast enough to escape the Milky Way entirely. These are hypervelocity stars. Some are the remnants of binary systems disrupted by the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy. One star falls in and vanishes. The other is slingshotted outward, hurled into the dark at over 1 million kilometers per hour. These rogue stars travel alone, far from the galactic plane, like glowing comets with no return. Based on what we can measure, stars, dust, gas, the outer edges of the galaxy are spinning too fast. They should be flung into space, scattered like leaves in a storm. And yet they remain. The answer is dark matter. This mysterious substance does not shine, reflect, or emit any light, but it exerts gravity. And there is so much of it that it outweighs all the visible matter in the galaxy many times over. We don't know what dark matter is, but we know that without it, the Milky Way would fly apart. There's a supermassive black hole at the core. At the very center of the Milky Way lies an enormous black hole, a singular point of gravity called Sagittarius A*. It is more than 4 million times the mass of the Sun. Yet it occupies a space smaller than the orbit of Mercury. We cannot see it directly, but we've watched nearby stars whip around it at tremendous speeds, tracing invisible loops through the void. Sometimes gas and dust fall inward and flare with X-rays as they spiral into the event horizon. For now, Sagittarius A* sleeps, but long ago it may have burned like a quasar, lighting up the galaxy from within. It is the silent conductor of the Milky Way's heart, pulling stars into slow, relentless dance. The Milky Way has a peanut-shaped bulge. Stars orbit the galaxy at different speeds. Unlike planets in a solar system, which follow neat tracks around their star, stars in the Milky Way move with more freedom. Some race ahead in the inner regions, others drift slowly along the outskirts. This difference in speed is why spiral arms form. They're not solid structures, but patterns, like slow traffic jams of stars and gas moving through space. Stellar nurseries shape the spiral arms. The Milky Way's spiral arms are not simply made of stars. They're woven from the birthplaces of stars. Giant clouds of hydrogen, dust, and molecules drift through the galaxy, and when these clouds pass through the spiral arms, they are compressed and set alight with newborn suns. These regions are called stellar nurseries, chaotic, glowing, and full of motion. Ultraviolet light from new stars lights up the clouds, painting the arms with radiant blues and silvers. These bursts of creation trace out the spiral shape, illuminating the curves of the galaxy with quiet fire. Every star, even the Sun, was born from one of these cloudy cradles long ago. Supernovae stir the galaxy like storms. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in cataclysmic supernova, events so powerful they can outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment. These explosions don't just end lives, they create. Shockwaves from supernova ripple through the interstellar medium, compressing nearby clouds and triggering new waves of star formation. They enrich the surrounding space with heavy elements like iron and gold, forged in the heart of the dying star. In this way, supernova act like storms within the galactic ecosystem, stirring, fertilizing, and reshaping everything around them. They are the galaxy's moments of chaos, destructive, radiant, and necessary.